Hello everyone. Today we are going to complete page number 3 from Vikas Drawing and Coloring Book, class 5th. One peacock drawing is there. Today we are going to complete it with crayons and sketch pen. For this we required page number 3. I am going to solve on this worksheet. Actually some part is already given to draw it. Remaining parts we are going to copy from page number 2. With the help of pencil we are going to try to draw the same drawing as shown. It is very simple. It's one oval shape to draw, and inside some another small oval shape. Okay, like this one by one we are going to complete drawing with pencil first, then after we are going to do border on it with the help of sketch pen or marker, like this. Try to draw each and every part properly of wings also. Just small oval shape, just lightly you have to draw because we are going to do border on it. That's why don't press pencil too much. It should be visible for you only. Okay, I am going to do border to each and every part. Now why I am doing border before, because you know that if you using the crayons, afterwards if you want to do border it's not possible because this is an oil pastels, some oily part is there, we are not able to do border on it. That's why before coloring I am going to do border with the help of marker. Okay, you can use sketch pen there, don't use permanent marker there, because you know that if you using permanent marker on back side which should be damaged. That's why you can take sketch pen or black color pencil also you can use for doing border. Like this one by one I'm going to do border to each and every part, like this. On page number second one sketch is given, you can do sketching on it if you want to learn from it. You can do practice on page number second, and on third one drawing is already given, some part like face and half portion is given. Afterwards we are going to do all drawings on it. Okay, see that this is a simple technique to draw, but if you want to change shape in inside heart shape you can change it like this. It's depend on you. Okay, now for eyes I'm going to do border there. Now finally I do all border on downside grasses there. Just curve line, with the help of curve line we are going to do grass. Okay, like this. Afterwards you are going to rough that parts, those we draw on with the help of pencil, because we got a final outline with the help of marker. That's why I'm going to rough this all. That time it not be mixed color with pencil on that. That's why I'm going to rough it. Take colors, choose color like violet, dark violet, blue, green, brown. This color required for us. Then yellow color for background also. We are going to start coloring now. If you observe on that picture you can see some part paint with of violet color, then celerium blue is there. Okay, this type of blue color shade is there, but try to do same. Okay, if you don't have that color you can use a violet and blue color combination. Okay, one by one you can use color on it. If you are not able to understand the shades, you can take crayons and try to match on page number 2. You can do some color on it. Okay, then you can able to understand which color is already given there. If you are going to nearby that shade, you can use that color, because in printing color will be changed. We are not able to go too close to that color. In printing color will be changed. Okay, try to do nearby colors. Okay, now I'm going to use blue color there. With the help, when you mixing two color, lightly you have to use, and then after you can mix it properly, two colors together. Okay, like this you can do coloring slowly. You can see on the downside also green color shade is mixed there in that blue. That's why we are going to mix these three colors: violet, blue and green. Okay, this color with shading with the that parts. Now take a green color. Okay, you can take dark green also, but I'm going to use light green, and afterwards on it I'm going to use dark green to mix that part. Now I'm going to mix with blue and purple color shade. Now I'm going to give pressure little bit on that oil pastel. Now all remaining part I'm going to paint with the light green, except in that part. Okay, all parts I'm going to paint with light green color. Afterwards we are going to draw lines on it with the help of dark green color. I'm going to show you. Actually there are lots of shades are given, but for easy way we are going to complete with simple steps like this. Take a green color and make shades on it. You can see there orange color is there, purple color is there, selenium blue color is there, but it's taking too much time to color. That's why we are going to nearby that shade, making your own creativity on it. Now here I am using a dark blue. For each and every part, and with the help of light blue I am going to mix it. Here you can use violet color also if you want to use. With the help of dark blue color I am going to draw some lines on it to make a texture of it. Okay, like this we can do. If you want to make smooth and make texture, you can use that tools to make a smooth and texture on it. Okay, if any white part is remain, you can overlap color there. Here I am using a yellow ochre brown color combination to show that shades. Okay, like this. With the help of cotton you can mix it properly like this and make a smooth shades. Like this you can do each and every part. Now our coloring almost finished, only legs and background is remain. We are going to complete this. For ground I am using a green color, dark green color for grass. You can use light green and dark green combination there. Okay, just lightly I am going to paint. Now for background I am using a yellow color, because on that page you can see yellow color is given there. That's why I am going to paint with yellow color background, but I am not going to paint all background, just outside of the peacock, that much ground I am going to paint with yellow color. Okay, our page number 3 is finished. Now it's look like this after completing. Afterwards we are going to learn next page. okay, afterwards look like this. Our work is done, finally done. Thank you everyone.